Okay, today I'm going to show you how to make a weekly video call to your calendar. So you will go to your apps, go to calendar. Alrighty, so when you get to your calendar, you're going to go to settings. The first thing you have to make sure that this right here, automatically add video calls to events I create, is checked. In the settings is saved. So you will go back. So say you want to make this video call every Tuesday. So you say your weekly call, more options. So if you want it weekly, it has to repeat every Tuesday. So make sure it has weekly on Tuesday. Make sure this Hangout is selected, and so from here you would add the guest that you will want to do the weekly video call with. So I'm just gonna add mommy. Alrighty, and save, send. So every week you see on Tuesday you will have this call. So yeah, that's it. Thank you.